Hello YouTubers, I'm Malcolm Oliver from YouTube Recording HD. Thank you so much for tuning in from YouTube Recording HD and YouTube Recording Weather and YouTube Recording Rail Fan. So, today in Maryland is cloudy, 64 degrees. Bad news tomorrow. Rain at Thursday, 53 degrees. And then, yep, bad weather, guys. So you can't really go rail fan this tomorrow. But tomorrow's gonna be March. Tomorrow's March 1st. All right. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm the Weather Watcher, Malcolm Oliver. And we'll see you next time, alright? More trains coming up, so stay tuned.